Welcome to TechSplits. Have you ever wondering how your phone recognizes your face, how YouTube recommends videos, or how ChatGPT talks like a human? All of this is powered by one thing, artificial intelligence or AI. In this video, I will explain what is AI and the different types of AI in the simplest way possible. Let's get started. So first, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence. In simple words, AI is when machines are trained to think and act like a humans. Just like humans can learn from experience, make decisions, solve problems, AI systems are designed to do the same, but using data and algorithm. For example, Google Maps suggesting the fastest route, Netflix recommending movies, voice assistant like Siri or Alexa, all of these use AI. Types of AI. The first and most common type is narrow AI, also called weak AI. This type of AI is designed to do one specific task and do it really well. Example, face recognition, chatbots, spam email filters, YouTube recommendations. Narrow AI cannot think beyond its tasks. Almost all AI we use today fall into this category. Next, general AI or strong AI. The second type is general AI, also known as strong AI. This is AI that can think like a human, learn anything, solve any problem, just not just one task, just like a human do. Important thing to know, general AI does not exist yet. It is still under research and development. Type is super AI. This is a future concept where AI becomes smarter than humans, more creative, better at decision making. Movie like Iron Man, Jarvis, or Machine based on this idea. Right now, super AI is only theoretical, but it raises big question about ethics and control. Types of AI based on functions. AI can also be based on how it works. Reactive machines react only to current input like chess AI. Limited memory, learn from past data, self-driving car. Theory of mind, understand emotions, future concept. Self-awareness AI, conscious AI doesn't exist. Why AI is important? AI is transforming the world from healthcare and education to business and entertainment. Understanding AI today means being ready for the future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech videos, and comment below where do you see AI used in our daily life. Thanks for watching.